Hey everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1732. Find the highest altitude. It is the easy level problem on the Leet, and it has been asked on a lot of interviews question also. Let's look at the problem statement. There is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n plus 1 points at different altitudes. Biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude equal 0. We are given an integer array gain of length n, where gain I is the net gain in the altitude between I and I plus 1 for all I greater than equal to 0 and less than n, return the highest altitude of a point. So basically, what we have given is, let's first try to understand in a simple way. Imagine there is a biker who wants to go on a road trip. So first of all, what he will do is he will start his journey from the altitude 0, and sometimes he goes up, sometimes he goes down. So the positive value will show the upward movement, the negative value will show the downward movement, and from that we need to find out the highest altitude he has achieved. So this is the question. Like, let's understand it by this. As I said, the bikers start from the altitude 0 at first. So here array is given as -5 minus. This array shows the altitude change between 2 points. -5, 1, 5, 0, -7. Meaning -5 go down, +1 go up. As I said, the positive sign represent the up and down. Positive up, negative down. 0 no change, minus go down. Start at 0. So what will happen after it? 0 minus 5. As I said, the first element is -5. The answer is -5. So at first it goes down, and then -5 plus 1, wait, -5 plus 1, what it will be? -4. Okay, after -4 plus 5, what it will be? 1. Okay, after 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and then at last 1 minus 7 equals to -6. So this is how this journey of his will be filled like. So all this value we will just simply put into the array like this. Let's be first here, and at first we will start from 0, then -5, then -4, then 1, and then also 1, and at last there will be -6. So this is its total journey, and each point will of the gain represent the altitude changing from one point to the another. So from 0 it first goes down, then sometimes up, sometimes down. So in this gains array, uh, what maximum altitude he achieved? So answer is 1. So this is how we will solve it. So let's solve this. Let's begin. So first of all, we will create a vector which will be storing the, and we will first assign our first integer as 0, because this journey will be starting from the 0 also. And now we will traverse through the array. First of all, let's create the variable sum, assign it to the 0. Now we will traverse through the array. Here we will check the each element sum and push that element to the vector we have created. read sum. This is it. After storing all the sum, after doing this, we will get this array. I think you are getting my point. And after this array, what we need to find is maximum. So we will create a variable named max and assign the lowest number in it. Now we'll traverse through the array we have created. What is it name? Result. Test. Now we'll check each and every element. If that element is greater than max, we'll assign that element into the max. And at last, what we will do, return max. So guys, you can see our test cases has been accepted. So let's try to click on submit. So you can see our solution has been accepted and all the test cases has been passed. That's it from my side. Thank you.